Do you find yourself gripping the armrests when you stand up from your favorite chair? Or maybe you've noticed your legs feeling a bit wobbly during a short walk. These are quiet signs your leg strength might be slipping away. Strong legs keep you independent by helping you tackle stairs without hesitation or fear. Stay steady on your feet, lowering the chance of a fall. Keep enjoying the things you love, like walking, shopping, or playing with grandkids. Did you know? Falls are the top reasons seniors end up in the hospital for injuries, but strengthening your legs can cut that risk by up to 40%. 3. Simple exercises to strengthen your legs. Try these easy at-home moves to build leg strength. Start small and adjust as needed. Chair squats. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. Stand up slowly, using your legs, not your arms, then sit back down. Repeat 10 times. Easier option. Lift your bottom just off the chair and hold for a few seconds. Leg lifts. Sit with your back straight in a chair. Lift one leg straight out. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower. Do 10 lifts per leg. If that's tough, raise your foot just a few inches instead. Wall push-ups. Stand an arm's length from a wall, hands at shoulder height. Bend your elbows to lean in, then push back to start. Repeat 10 times. Why it helps? Strong arms boost balance, supporting your legs. Margaret, a 72-year-old gardening enthusiast, used to struggle to stand after kneeling to tend her flowers. Worried about losing her freedom, she started chair squats and leg lifts 3 times a week. 2 months later, she's back to gardening with ease and keeping up with her grandkids, stronger and steadier than ever. Keeping your legs strong is the secret to staying independent. Pick one exercise and give it a try today to feel the difference. You've got this. Your legs have carried you this far. Start one of these simple moves today and keep them ready for all the adventures still ahead. Why leg strength is key to aging. Well, as we get older, staying active and independent becomes more important than ever. But did you know that keeping your legs strong is one of the best ways to make that happen? Why it matters. After age 65, we naturally lose up to 1% of our muscle mass each year, which can make falls and frailty more likely. Strong legs give you the freedom to keep doing what you love: gardening, shopping, or playing with your grandkids. Research shows seniors with stronger leg muscles are 50% less likely to experience a fall that leads to injury. 3 easy ways to keep your legs strong. Try these simple exercises to build leg strength. No fancy equipment needed. Start small and adjust to what feels right for you. Chair squats. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Stand up slowly, using your legs, not your arms, then sit back down. Aim for 10 repetitions. Modification. If standing is tough, lift your bottom just off the chair and hold for a few seconds. Leg lifts. While seated, straighten one leg out in front of you, hold for 5 seconds, then lower. Do 10 lifts per leg. Alternative. If straightening your leg is hard, simply raise your foot a few inches off the ground. Short walks. Take a 5-minute walk around your home or yard, focusing on steady steps. Gradually increase to 10 minutes as you feel stronger. For limited mobility, march in place while holding onto a chair for support. Meet Mary, a 72-year-old who struggled to get out of her favorite armchair. After a few weeks of doing chair squats and leg lifts, she's back to tending her garden and even chased her grandson around the yard last weekend. Strong legs are your ticket to staying active and independent. Start with one small step today and build from there. You've got this. Pick one tip to try right now. Your legs will thank you, and you'll feel the difference in no time. Fuel your muscles with the right foods. What you eat can rebuild what age takes away, especially in your legs. Let's explore 7 foods that, with a little gentle movement, could boost your strength by up to 30% and keep you moving strong. Why it matters. Strong muscles mean you can keep doing the things you love, like walking to the mailbox, climbing stairs, or playing with grandkids without feeling worn out. Good nutrition helps fight off weakness that can make everyday tasks harder as we age. Science says, a study from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society showed that seniors eating protein-rich diets had a 30% lower chance of mobility problems. 5 simple tips to boost your muscle strength. Here's how to fuel up with foods that are easy to enjoy, no matter your health or mobility. Load up on protein. Eat lean meats, fish, eggs, or beans to help your muscles repair and grow. Low energy? Start small with a boiled egg or a spoonful of peanut butter. Strengthen bones with calcium and vitamin D. Try milk, yogurt, spinach, or fortified cereals. Strong bones support strong muscles. Not into dairy? Sip fortified almond milk or nibble on canned sardines. Sip water all day. Staying hydrated keeps cramps away and your energy up. Tip: keep a glass nearby and sip between bites. It adds up. Go for small, frequent meals. A little snack here and there, like nuts or fruit, keeps your muscles fueled all day. Busy? Grab a banana or a handful of almonds between tasks. Ask for personalized help. Chat with your doctor or a nutritionist to tweak your meals for your unique needs. Why bother? They'll spot what's best for your body and energy levels. Take Sarah, a 72-year-old who felt shaky going upstairs. She added eggs to breakfast and yogurt as a snack, plus some light leg stretches. After a month, she was climbing stairs with confidence and even started gardening again. Eating the right foods can power up your muscles and make daily life easier. Start by adding one muscle-friendly food to your plate today. You're stronger than you think. Every bite is a chance to feel more independent and alive. Pick one tip and give it a try today. Fuel your legs. 7 superfoods to keep you moving strong. Ever feel like your legs could use a little extra pep? These 7 superfoods can help you stay steady and strong, so you can keep doing the things you love, like walking to the park, climbing stairs, or even just standing up from your favorite chair with ease. Strong legs are key to staying independent and avoiding falls, which are a leading cause of injury for seniors. Eating the right foods can help you maintain muscle strength, making daily activities like gardening, shopping, or playing with grandkids easier and safer. Did you know? A diet rich in protein and healthy fats can help reduce age-related muscle loss by up to 30%, according to research from the Journal of Gerontology. 7 superfoods to strengthen your legs. These foods are packed with the nutrients your legs need to stay strong. Try adding them to your meals with these simple tips. Salmon. Its healthy fats are like a soothing balm for stiff muscles. Try it. Bake salmon with a squeeze of lemon and enjoy it twice a week. Alternative. If fish isn't your thing, try flax seeds or chia seeds for similar benefits. Eggs. Eggs pack protein to help mend and build muscles. Try it. Scramble 2 eggs for a quick breakfast. Modification. If chewing is tough, blend eggs into a smoothie with fruit. Spinach. This leafy green is full of iron and vitamins that boost energy and muscle function. Try it. Add a handful to your morning omelette or toss it into a salad. Alternative. If raw spinach is hard to chew, steam it lightly for a softer texture. Lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein to keep your legs strong. Try it. Add them to soups or stews for a hearty meal. For limited cooking, use canned lentils. Just rinse and heat. Yogurt's calcium and protein support both bones and muscles. Try it. Enjoy a cup with berries for a snack or dessert. Dairy-free, opt for fortified almond or coconut yogurt. Bananas provide potassium to prevent cramps and keep muscles working smoothly. Try it. Slice one over your cereal or eat it as a quick snack. Tip: if you're watching sugar, pair it with a handful of nuts for balance. Almonds. Almonds are rich in healthy fats and protein to fuel your muscles. Try it. Grab a small handful as a snack or sprinkle them on oatmeal. Can't eat nuts? Swap for sunflower seeds or a spoonful of avocado. Margaret, a 70-year-old retiree, used to feel winded after walking just one block. But after adding lentils to her diet and taking short daily walks, she now strolls through the park with ease. In just 8 weeks, she gained energy and confidence, and even started joining her friends for morning Tai Chi. Eating these superfoods can help you feel stronger and more steady on your feet. Start by adding one new food to your plate this week, like a banana with breakfast or a handful of almonds as a snack. You've got this. Every bite is a step towards stronger legs and a more active life. Pick one superfood to try today and feel the difference. Avoid these common mistakes to keep your legs strong. Have you ever thought you were doing the right thing for your health, only to find out it might be holding you back? Let's make sure you're not making these simple mistakes that could weaken your legs and steal your independence. Why it matters. Strong legs are your foundation for staying active and independent. Whether it's climbing stairs, walking to the store, or just getting up from your chair. Did you know? Seniors who maintain a balanced diet and regular light exercise are 40% less likely to experience falls, according to research from the National Institute on Aging. Avoiding these mistakes can help you stay steady, strong, and confident in your daily activities. 3 common mistakes and how to fix them. Here's how to sidestep these setbacks and keep your legs feeling their best. Mistake: cutting protein to eat light. Skipping protein can starve your muscles, making them weaker over time. Fix it. Add a handful of almonds or a small serving of lean protein, like chicken or tofu, to your meals. For limited chewing, try a protein smoothie with yogurt and fruit. Mistake: relying on sugary snacks for energy. Sugary snacks might give you a quick boost, but they won't fuel your legs for the long haul. Fix it. Swap the sweets for yogurt, a banana, or a small handful of nuts. Why it works. These foods provide steady energy without the crash. Mistake: thinking you need a gym to stay strong. You don't need fancy equipment, just a chair and a little consistency. Fix it. Try leg lifts while sitting. Lift your legs straight out 10 times daily. Alternative: if sitting is tough, try standing and holding onto a counter for support while lifting one leg at a time. Take John, a 75-year-old who used to skip protein and rely on sugary snacks for energy. After swapping his afternoon candy for a yogurt and adding daily leg lifts from his chair, he noticed he could walk further without feeling tired. Now, he's back to enjoying his morning strolls around the neighborhood. By avoiding these common mistakes and making small changes to your diet and routine, you can keep your legs strong and stay active. Start with one fix today, like adding a handful of almonds to your snack, and build from there. Every small step counts. Pick one tip to try today and feel your strength grow. As we get older, it's natural to feel a bit wobbly or tired, but you don't have to let that slow you down. With a few small changes, you can keep your legs strong and your independence intact. Why it matters. Strong legs help you tackle everyday tasks, like getting out of a chair, walking to the kitchen, or enjoying a stroll with loved ones. Research shows that seniors who eat a balanced diet rich in muscle-friendly foods are 30% less likely to face mobility challenges. Every step towards stronger legs is a step toward the life you love, full of freedom and confidence. 3 easy steps to get started. Here's how to build leg strength. 1 small win at a time. Pick one food. Start with something simple you enjoy, like adding a banana to your breakfast or a handful of almonds as a snack. For limited energy, keep it easy. Toss a banana into your routine and call it a win. Add more each week. Once you're comfortable, try another food, like a scoop of yogurt or a boiled egg. Tip: go at your own pace. Even one new food a month builds strength over time. Enjoy the journey. Make it fun by trying a new recipe or sharing a meal with a friend. Think of it as a treat, not a chore. For mobility challenges, swap one snack at a time from your chair. No need to overdo it. Meet John, a 68-year-old retiree who felt his legs tiring on short walks. He started small, adding a banana to his morning toast. A few weeks later, he added almonds as a snack, and soon he was climbing stairs with less huffing and puffing, feeling proud of his progress. Every bite builds stronger legs. Start with one food today and watch how it adds up. You've got this. Try one food today and take charge of your legs. You deserve to feel strong and free. If this sparked a smile, share it with a friend or drop your favorite food in the comments below, then subscribe for more senior health gems.